I rarely work out here, but when all I hear is calls for people freaking coming out here complaining about you guys. And I see you guys being everybody that's standing here, that's driving one of these little racer cars, whatever you guys have. The Honda with like the $30,000 put into it, or the Honda with the $2,000 put into it. Hey, you guys are going to kill somebody. We get calls from undercover detectives that you guys passed doing 110 down Otay Lake. Don't think we don't freaking see you guys. Alright? Everybody's like, yeah, it wasn't me, bullshit. Look to your left, look to your right. It's you guys. You guys are the ones doing 110 down the road. You guys
Airbags, I can't speed.
Alright? So, here's the deal. Everybody's gonna jump in their car and go home. I don't care. You guys are gonna jump in your car and go home.
We're gonna know.
Do you want me to have a supervisor come out here and tell you, or do you want me to tell you I'll just arrest you?
Going home.
I ain't gonna pull you over. Everybody else is on the other side chasing some guy with a gun. What do you think? What are we doing wrong? No problem.
It doesn't matter, man. He's telling you to leave. Leave. He's a car. Damn well, 89% of y'all got something illegal in your car. Might as well just leave.
We're just like looking at the car, not driving fast. That shows who come here. And I just want to be up front with you guys. Alright?
I would rather just leave. I've had too many run-ins with the cops.
I'm saying get up.
Oh, snap.
That doesn't matter.
It's pretty sick.
Hey, stop! There's a radio call, and either I come out here and take action, or I just grab all your guys' driver's license, who's ever suspended, whoever has warrants.
You gotta tell me twice, I'm gone. I love my car. Hey, make sure you get a nice shot though. Did you?
What? Oh. I got
And look for this on YouTube. I got the whole thing.